Taking out this fir here. She's leaning out towards the house. I gotta sneak her right in between this one and the stem here. So I'll have to face it up a little bit farther that way. And yeah, get her sneak in there. She's fully committed right towards the house. She is also weighted down the hill though, so should be a free tipper. Okay. So, I'm gonna have to face her that way. So as a general rule, you're supposed to cut on the uphill side. But with this one, I wanted to face it up and get lined up with my back cut from the downhill side because it was just easier. But I ended up finishing cutting the tree from the uphill side. So I wanted to keep this one on the stump as long as possible to maintain control until the last second. So I did a wide open face so it wouldn't close and pop the hinge early. Alright. So, slipped down in there nice. Just barely squeaked by there. And rolled right into our driveway nicely. So I had to aim it a little farther left than I really needed to, just to compensate, and then I cut the holding side off to get her to slide in there last second, just to be sure.